Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top five carry EDC items. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. PowerBank. Don't leave home without it. You got to be able to charge up your gadgets, your woots, your whatever, your phone, your vibrators, your fans, your whatever. Okay? They come in all shapes and sizes, all milliamps, all whatevers. Solar powered, however you do it. But don't leave home without one. Put it in your backpack, put it in your car, put it on your bicycle, put it wherever. Okay? That's my suggestion. It's number 5 on my list. How about you? Where would you rank it? I rank it number 5. Okay? I don't put too much stock in it, but that's just me. But I keep 2. At least every day. Keep 2. So, yeah. We'll leave the conversation right there. No, we won't. This is the My Charge Adventure. Right there. My Charge Adventure. I think it's 3,000 milliamp. Don't quote me on that. There's the specs. If it'll come into focus. Maybe. There it is. I don't know. It might have got in focus. It might have not. But yeah, I think it's 3,000 or 2,400 milliamps, 2,500 milliamps, something like that. But yeah, comes in orange and black. The one I got, easy to find in my backpack in the truck. Yeah, number 5. What would it rank on your list? We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over and out.